Hey, I'm Owen from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today I'm going to teach you how to say burrito in Irish Gaelic. So first of all, why would we be learning a word like this in the Irish language? It's really, I want to show you how the Irish language has been able to improve and change over time and adapt. So just for example, we've got different technology words, like for computer we say rivra, and for internet we say asailín. So what happens is people they go look at what's the root meaning of the word, and they see if they can come up with a nice word that works in the Irish language, and they try to work that into our everyday vocabulary. So to say burrito in the Irish language, you say asailín, okay, asailín. So what does it mean? It means little donkey, and I'm told that burrito literally means little donkey. I think this is a really nice translation. A shout out to the Motherfoclóir Podcast where I've heard this translation. If you go to the dictionary for the Irish language, you won't find this translation. But you know, accepted dictionary translations come after usage, right? It's much better to start using it now rather than to wait for a committee to agree that it's a word, right? So this is a word, it's a translation, and I really like this little translation. And another little tip, if you want to learn further, that asailín, the "een" at the end, indicates that we're talking about something small. So if you think about the word smithereens, that comes from the Irish language, and it means really small pieces, right? So if you remember the word smithereens, then you'll remember that pattern, "een", at the end of a word in the Irish language, means that it's something small. So asail means donkey, and asailín means small donkey. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you'll start using the word. When you're visiting Ireland, why not order a burrito in the Irish language? Asailín le duhul. They won't know what you mean probably, because they probably won't know the translation. So then tell them, I'd like a burrito please. Okay, slán.